Hi, welcome to Zimstack Media. If you are new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe to get more news. Virginia Sibanda, the widow of the late legendary Zimbabwe national team and Highlanders midfielder Rahman Gumbo, has died. Reports suggest Sibanda passed away in the early hours of Sunday at United Bulawayo Hospitals in Bulawayo after suffering a long battle with cancer. Her husband died in November 2023 after he reportedly collapsed and later died from a suspected heart attack in Botswana. Recently, it was reported that Sibanda was diagnosed with a brain tumor. Sibanda urgently needed $14,000 United States for a life-saving operation. May her soul rest in peace. Once again, thank you for staying tuned. If you are new to this channel, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe to get more news.